Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be going over an eviction set out. So we're meeting my good friend and business partner, Jacob Fisk. He is doing it big. He's got more units than I do, way more units than I do. He's my age, he's 23, and we are going to be meeting him at a property to go over the eviction set out. So this is going to be interesting. Stay tuned. So a little bit about an eviction set out. It is like the last step of an eviction. So after you've gone through all the paperwork, all the court hearings, everything, this is when the bailiff actually comes and kicks the people out or arrests them. So might be a little crazy. This is my first time experiencing this, so you guys will be, it's also my first time doing like a more vlog style video. So I'm excited about it. Glad you guys have tuned in. Hopefully the audio. Yeah, look at that. Look what they did. Well, you want to go up here, make sure no one's up here?
Yeah, let's do it.
Watch your step, I guess. Well, none of this was like this.
Wow, how'd their way with that kitchen?
It was actually
way with these steps.
pretty decent for one place.
Turn the step upside down.
Hello?
Why is everything clear? Clear.
What are they doing with this? Right there? No, there's no third.
That's where they hide the drugs.
In there. We gotta check out.
That's where they hide the drugs.
Look at this. What are they doing here? Are they stealing something? Why are they doing this?
I have no idea.
Check out like right there too.
Yeah, trying to rip some copper. I don't know.
We gotta check the basement, make sure the furnace is there. Just got a brand new furnace.
Oh.
I had initially told this guy that this door could just be open and there could be no one in here. But oh my gosh. But he didn't believe me.
Alright.
Oh my gosh.
I don't know what it looked like before.
Is the furnace still here?
This is, yeah, furnace is here. Wow, it was never like this.
I'd say it's a fair estimate that this is all trash.
I don't know. There's a water bottle down there. It's new. It's got a marker in it.
Water bottle. Alright, furnace.
Wow. Wow.
Wow. The one side was crazy disgusting and dirty, but not even as bad as I thought. And the other side is insanely clean. They swept the floor. They did everything.
It looks amazing in here. Honestly. So, as far as an eviction goes, this is like insanely clean compared to the other side. They're out here having a party. They even dabbed Jacob up. He's like, hey man, see ya. So, there they are out there having a little party. Crazy. Getting all their stuff out. But literally the only thing in here smells like smoke. Everything else is really nice.
You inherited these tenants, right? You didn't pick them?
Yep. So I actually bought this property because the previous owner did not want to deal with the tenants.
Okay.
The tenants were giving them some issues, not taking care of the property, which I'm sure you can get some clips of that. And
Yeah.
basically, I inherited the property because of the tenants. So coming into this, immediately as soon as I closed, I gave them basically a notice letting them know this can be 30 days for them to be able to vacate the property.
Mm-hmm.
After that 30 days came, they were not in the property, or they were in the property, but you know, I could not get them out. It is not that easy. Since COVID is here, I have to do another 3-day notice.
And you, at this point, they hadn't paid since you closed, and how long before that? So when did you close, and how long since they haven't paid at all?
Let's see, I closed first week of January.
Okay.
And then I waited a little bit too long, to be honest, to give them a 30-day notice. I waited like a week or so. So I gave them the 30-day notice closer to the end of January.
Okay.
Then as soon as that 30 days rolled by, checked it out, tried to see what their intentions were. Seemed like they wanted to stay, and we just could not do that. They're not paying.
Yep.
New ownership. And then there's also people living in the property that should not be there.
Yep.
Then after that, I had to give them a 3-day notice for me to basically let them know that, you know, there is going to be a court date that I'm going to file for to start an eviction process. So then a few weeks then passed by for when the court date would come through, and court date came about like 3 weeks later.
Okay.
After the 3 weeks, I had the court date, and we settled on another 30 days for the tenants to get out of the property. So then 30 days later, the tenants were still not out of the property. I was having to check out the property and then give them notice again, letting them know that, hey, the bailiffs are going to come out here. They're going to give you a red tag on your door, which means that if they're not out within the next 5 days, then they're going to have to do a yellow tag on the door, which means the set out date is scheduled.
Okay.
And then that yellow tag is now scheduled for today. So bailiff came today. So now here we are, like what, May 14th,
Yeah,
15th?
14th,
So
whatever it is.
Yep. And here's the set out. So it
Cool.
took about 4 months, no payments, and we got them out.
Cool. So just wanted to update you guys. We just finished the whole process. Actually had the contractor come over and walk the property for the rehab that needs to be done after. And it was actually really easy. So the tenants that were there were super nice. They left right away. The tenants that weren't there that were really bad, they were already gone. They've already been gone for like a week. The door was open and they just left a bunch of crap in there. But I mean, super easy. No fights, no nothing, no fuss. And I think the people on the other side were actually just squatting, and they actually left the place really clean. So super easy first experience with the eviction set out, and hope you guys learned a little bit. Thanks for tuning in. Give me a like, comment, and subscribe if you want to see more. I'm glad we got to get the interview in with Jacob and just hear from his experience on the eviction. So turns out it can take a ton of time, but like I said, thanks for tuning in. Hope you guys have a great one. See ya.